Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve date and time on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to on the down. You are going to find the general management option. So here is the general management, so you just move on that. After you have been moved on that, here you are going to find the date and time, so click on date and time. Then if you want to set the date, just click on the date. You can select the numbers and click on done. And if you want to set the time, you can set the time. You just select the numbers and the minute and the am pm, then click on done. And friends, in place of setting this fixing this date and time again and again, you just click on this icon, and this automatic date and time use from the network, okay, provided by network. Okay, so no need to fix the date and time. No, you just click on this icon. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.